Hi guys, welcome once again to my page. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how I prepare my cod fish fillet skinless fish. So to begin with, my fish is already cleaned, and that's right there is some lemon. So I'm going to drizzle some lemon back and front into the fish. I will allow the lemon to sit like into the fish well. Next, I'm going to flip the fish to the other side, and I'm going to do the same to the other side by painting the fish with some lemon because I want it to taste lemony. So next, I'm going to introduce my spices. I already add my spices into this bowl. Thereabout, I have a garlic, lemon spices, salt, black pepper. So I'm going to combine that together, as you can see, and I'm going to sprinkle the spices into the fish like so. Please, if today is your first time coming across this page, please do me well by hitting the follow or subscribe button if you haven't done that. By so doing that, you are helping my page to grow and for other people to take note of this page. Thank you for doing that. So now I'm going to make sure the spices is well settled into the fish. As you can see what I'm doing. Next, I'm going to flip the fish to the other side. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. So I'm done doing that. I'm also going to brush the spices into the fish. Then I'll leave the fish to sit for 20 to 30 minutes while I prepare the other ingredients. So this is my bowl. I have plain flour. I'm going to add few of the plain flour into my plates. I'm going to add some salt and also black chunks pepper. And I'll combine that together, trying to bring it closer for you guys to see. So now I'm going to place my fish into the flour. I'm going to coat the fish back and front with the flour. I'll make sure the flour is all I'll make sure the fish is all covered with the flour. As you can see, I'm just taking my time to make sure the flour is well settled into the fish. So now I'm going to take it out and I'll beat the excess out of the fish. But meanwhile, I have to do the other side. So now I have to take out the fish and make sure I take the essence out of the fish. So now I'm going to place the fish in a different bowl, and I'm going to do the same with the other fish. I'm going to coat the fish with the flour and put aside. Do me well by following this page and sharing this video. Thank you so much for your support. For those of you who see my video and still engage on it, I thank you so much. So I'm going to do the same by taking the fish out from the flour. So here I'm going to add oil to my frying pan. Please subscribe. That's some little present for you guys who has been following me. That's your Christmas present anyway. So at this point, I've added my fish into my hot oil. So I'm going to fry the fish until it looks cooked. So now I'm turning the fish to the other side to enhance the other side to cook. So we're going to keep an eye on the fish so that we don't allow it to burn. So please follow my page for more uploads. At this point, our fish is looking golden and it looks delicious and it's ready. So this is how the fish is looking. It is ready. I'm taking it out from the oil. This is the other one, so beautiful. Look at that. Crispy and delicious. So next, I'm going to fry my chips or fries. So I'll add my fries into my oil, the same oil I used to fry the fish. That's what I will use to fry the chips. So guys, thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. You all know how to make fries. So this is the fries and the fish. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye and Merry Christmas.